Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to change the default currency of your YouTube studio. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to go to your iOS App Store or Google Play Store and search for YouTube Studio here, and you just need to install this application right here. So I've already done that. So once you've done that, just open up your YouTube Studio like this, and then you just have to click on your profile icon, your YouTube channel icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then just click on settings, and here just click on currency, and here you can select any currency for your YouTube Studio. The steps are pretty similar on a computer or laptop device as well. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.